Hello everyone, and welcome to the App Inventor quick demo guide titled Overview of Design View, and I'm going to be talking about the design view. The design view is how you create the look and feel of your app. It's how you physically place things on the screen and you change the properties of that thing that you placed on the screen. That may make no sense to you, so let's just get started. I'm going to grab a button right here, and then let's say I want to grab also an image. So I grabbed a button and I grabbed an image and I just dragged them on. Now I can still replace them on the screen as much as I want to just by dragging them and repositioning them. You can see the line, the blue line where it's going to go. But let's do the image on the top and then the button. So if I click one and I highlight it with a green line around it, that means I've selected it, and then everything from here on right will be pertaining to that component. So let's say I click on the button. Then right here I have button 1 highlighted in components, and then I have all of button 1's properties right here. Let's back up just a little bit. The components little module right here is where the names of the actual components are. So I have button 1, but I also have this rename button so I can change the name of that button. Let's say I want it to be the next button. So I named it next button. It's no longer called button 1, it's called next button, and maybe that means a little bit more to me. I can also change image 1 the exact same way. So let's say I click next button. I can change all of these properties about the button. I can change the background color. Let's say I want to make it cyan, or I can make it magenta, and you'll see that it's changing right here. I can change the font size to 24. I can change the text that's actually in it. Let's say I actually want it to say next, because it's called a next button, and the text in it is just a property in here that I changed to next. And then there's some other things that I can do. I can change the width. I can say fill parent of width. That will fill its width as wide as it can go, since the parent is just the larger container, which in this case is just the screen. So that filled the entire width of the screen. Down here is media. So if I were to upload a picture of any type, let's say I have just some JPEG picture, I click upload file, choose file, and I have some picture anywhere. Let's say I have this picture, this iPhone. I click OK. It says it is uploading, and now it's uploaded down here. Well, let's say I have this picture, this image, and I want this picture property to be changed to this actual image that I have. And if I change that, then it then changes the image to hold my image. So I'll have to play with the height and everything. But basically that's how it works. I can change the width and I can change the height, and I've assigned a picture, an actual file, to this image component, if that makes sense. So similarly, you have all of these modules, and each one of them you can bring over here: image sprite, canvas, contact picker. I can go down here to Bluetooth client. There's all kinds of little modules that you can drag over to the design view and use in your app. Thanks for watching.